the earlier section we saw how to record basic virtual user script. So we have already seen Loadrunner recording process, which was the first thing we do in Loadrunner. Let us revise it once again. The concept that we did in last tutorial. We will see it here. Loadrunner performance testing process. As we know that there are three components of Loadrunner, which are virtual user generator, controller, and analyzer. So these are three virtual components. First is virtual user generator, second is controller, and third is analyzer. You can see it here. Virtual user generator, controller, and analysis. That is analyzer. Now we will see the first part, which is virtual user generator, which is used for generating the script. The script is generated by recording. Let us see whole recording process of Loadrunner. It is given as below. Recording basic virtual user script, which we saw in the earlier tutorial. We recorded this script. Now we will see enhance and edit the virtual user script. So now we will edit the script. So this is our second section. We will edit the virtual user script or enhance the virtual user script. Then we will do configure runtime setting. Then we will run virtual user script for a single user, and then we will use virtual user script into Loadrunner scenario. So we should not bother now about runtime settings and running virtual user script for a single user and running virtual user script into Loadrunner scenario. We just for now we should concentrate on how to enhance or edit the virtual user script. So let us see how it is done in Loadrunner virtual user generator. It is virtual user generator, and we recorded one script in the earlier section. You could see URL was new tools demod.com mercuryregister.php, and these are the things which we do not require, so we are going to comment it. These have nothing to do with. Sometimes along with browser we send so many requests which is not relevant to the website, so we just comment those things. It has nothing to do with the application or anything. See here, it is https google.com. This had nothing to do with account google.com. This had nothing to do with the request. So there are many things that goes with the request, so we need to identify and remove those scripts from the total script. We should remove those portions from the script. So now you can see here new tools demod.com mercury register is relevant to our website. So we are now, what I am doing is I have to comment it. For commenting it, I will use star slash and so when I am using star slash, it means we are going to the comment all the things inside it. So all the things will be commented here. We are just commenting it from here because these are the things that is of waste. We do not need to use all these things. Now you can see here, See data Grammarly, these are all also best, so we will be commenting it from here. We will be commenting up to here. The reason is that these are all irrelevant data. You can understand Grammarly and Grammarly.com, so you can find out in the script itself. So it is pointing to some other site, so sometimes this request go with the request, so we have to identify and remove those things in the script. So in the earlier section, if we remember, we have put first name as Samim, password as Samim, confirm password as Samim, and email or username as Samim. So now I am saving the script once again, and I am replaying the script. You can use F5 or you can click on this icon to replay the script. So let us see how it happens, what happens. We are just replaying the script to see whether we are able to replay the script. Replaying is important because we have to replay this script for, suppose we have to run the scenario for 50 users, so we have to replay the script for 50 users. So this section should be correct. Replaying the script should be correct, so that we can put this script and use this script for n number of users, for the number of users which we want to put load for. So we will be replaying the script, and that script will be used in the scenario for running, for putting load on the web server for suppose n number of users. So this script will be replayed for n number of times. It is taking some time. It is sending request to the server. These are all in the form of request. Request is going to the server, and here we have come to last portion, and here after replaying the script, we can see it here. Script has passed successfully. It means that we can run the scenario for 50 users. Now if there would be any problem, it would have been reported here itself. So there is no correlation issue. So for understanding correlation, I will explain you the concept, but for the now there is no issue such as correlation. And so for now we will see how we are able to run the script for single user. Now suppose I am registering it for say 50 users. Let us understand the concept of parameterization. Like let us delete the commented part, so there is no use of keeping this, so that the script lives simple and sober. So I am removing this part. These are unnecessary part and not be included here. I am deleting all this. To here the space. this also needs to be commented. It is taking some time, but this also needs to be removed. So what I am doing, I am just a minute. So I am removing all these commented parts again. This is not removed yet. Save it. Now see, this is what? This is CSID. So there is sometimes it changes. If I will replay it, sometimes there is some session variable that goes with each request, so it changes. So our script is unable to replay. So with the help of correlation, we identify such issues, but we will see that later on. We do not need to worry about such things, complexity now. For now, just you have to understand this only, that this is our script and we need to replay it successfully. So I am saving it and again replaying the script. Let us see, the script is getting executed. It will do all the action that we did. It will go to register.com page, my Mercury create account page, and it will put Samim in the first name field, and it will put Samim in username or email field. It will put password as Samim. It will put Samim as confirm password, and then click on register. All this data will be sent to the server. So it is taking time. So, but it will be executed. It is taking time now. You can see the log here. Everything is there in the log itself. What has been done? What is now? My script is successfully replayed. That means we are able to run a script for n number of users. If it is replayed here successfully, then suppose we have to run the script for 500 users, we are able to run it for 500 users. Now suppose we are going to this page. Let us understand the scenario. The scenario is this. Just a minute. copying it here just to revise the concept which we did in the earlier tutorial, just to revise what has happened here in the script, what my script is doing. So this is, I put here left all these fill blank. Here I also again put samim, here again I put samim, and here again I put samim, and clicked on submit button. This is what my script is also doing, same thing. It's nothing doing something extra, it is doing same thing what is being done here. So that's why this script was taking too much time. So you see, after clicking on submit, it's taking time, so therefore it was taking time there also. So you can see it here. So now suppose I have to replace this script for 10 users, then what I will do? If I have to replace this is basic concept which we need to understand very clearly. You can see your replay logs here. These are the replay log. This is the replay log. You can see here virtual user script started user I need running virtual user. This script is running for one user, so you can see everything is alright, and we have done some editing in the script, and now we are replaced the script. After replaying the script has passed. It means that this script can be used in the scenario. Now this is the scenario when we are using it for single user. This scenario will work for single user. Suppose I want to run this script for 3 users, then I will have to make some changes here, but I will have to do parameterization. But that section, that part of the script we will see when we will be running the load test, when we will be loading the script in the scenario in the controller section. So that is different part. For the time being, let us understand that we are able to run the script for single user, and it has passed, and we are able to replace the script. That means script is reusable. Now in the next section we will be looking at runtime settings, that we do some settings in the script for designing the scenarios, and there are many things we configure in that, like runtime, run logic, pacing, log, all these things. We will see it in detail, but for now we have seen how to replay the recorded script. And one more thing, we have to see the correlation concept. That is most important part in replaying the script. It was simple script, it just ran without the need of doing correlation, but that fundamental of correlation needs to be understood in order to enhance or edit the script, so that we can edit any script and make it reusable to use it in scenario for running it for putting load of large number of users using this script only.